Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to tell you about a very interesting trick. If you don't have Bluetooth mouse to connect with your Samsung Tab or your iPad, you can use a smartphone as a trackpad as a mouse for these devices. For this you have to just download a single application in your smartphone only. Good thing is this application will be free if you will use only mouse option. If you will buy the subscription of this particular app, it will give you the access of keyboard as well. But in this video, I'm going to tell you about the mouse only. So let's jump into the display and see the trick.
So to download the application, you have to just open the Play Store in your Android device where you want to download this app. And in the search bar, you have to search the serverless mouse. As you can see here, serverless mouse. So here you can see we have two options. One is blue one and second is red one. Right? This red one is a paid version, so you don't need to download this. Click on a blue one and download this application. As I already downloaded this application, so that's why it's showing open option. Here let's open this application and see what is the interface and how you have to connect this application to your devices, right? So let's open this application first of all. So as you can see here, we have the basic interface in this application. In the top you can see we have left and right click button, and also you can see here, and in the middle if you will see, this is the main trackpad which we will use to move our cursors, right? And in the bottom we have different options, but I think this option will open when you will buy the subscription of this application. So now let's see how you have to connect this application with your device. Like it can be either your Samsung device or any Android device, or it can be like iPad. So for this you have to just open the Bluetooth first of all in your like device where you download this application, and at the same time you also open the Bluetooth from the device where you want to connect this application, right? So it's very easy to connect, right? So if you're connecting this application for first time, you need to pair first of all, right? So how you have to pair this application? So here you can see the option of connection, right? For the pairing, you need to open the Bluetooth setting first of all in your device where you want to connect this application. So as I am opening in my Samsung tab, so as you can see here in the Bluetooth setting, you can see my device name is showing, okay, and you have to just click and it will pair automatically. Now as you can see, my cursor is moving and it's worked perfectly. So it's very easy and convenient application. So if you will like this video, hit the like button, and thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.